Welcome back, guys. So this is question 8.17 of chapter number 8 of our book Probability and Statistics for Engineers and Scientists. And the statement of our question is, if all possible samples of size 16 are drawn from a normal population with mean equal to 50, okay, let me write here the value of mean. Mean is 50 and standard deviation equals to 5, means sigma is what? That is 5, which is the standard deviation. What is the probability that a sample mean x prime will fall in the interval from this mu x minus 1.9 sigma x prime to mu x prime minus 0.4 sigma x prime? Assume that the sample means can be measured to any degree of accuracy. Okay, so here we want to find out that what is the probability that a sample mean, which is x prime, so that is x prime, it lies between these two ranges. So these are what? These would be greater or equal to this minus 1.9 sigma x prime, and this is less than mu x prime minus 0.4 sigma x prime. Okay, so here it is, this one. Okay, so now let me calculate these some things. This is what, let me calculate here. This is x1 and this is x2, and from it I have to move to z1 and z2. Okay, so what should be the value of z2 and z1 here? If I take this value, which is mu x minus 1.9 sigma x, so if I want to find out the value of z, so I have previously known that the value of z was what? This was x minus mu divided by sigma, and from it if I know the value of x, so x is what? X is basically mu minus sigma z. Okay, so here we can see that if I use this color, this sigma is present here, this sigma is here, this mu is here, this mu is here. So by comparing them, this with this, we can see that here the value of z is this one, which is 1.9. okay, so the value of z1 is 1.9, and similarly here the value of this is also 0.4. okay, and we have also seen that there it was plus, so therefore it is minus 1.9 and minus, because here this is plus, because if I have here it is x1 is equal to mu x minus 1.9 sigma x. okay, this is what we have here. So from it, if I want to find out the value of z1, which is here, it will be 1.9 is equal to x1 minus mu x divided by sigma x. So this is here minus 1.9, so therefore this one is minus 1.9. okay, you can also see from this conversion as well that this is positive, so therefore it would be minus. So as these are the value of z, so here this one will be z is greater than minus 1.9 and less than this, and this is here we have. And in order to find out the probability in between them, I have to find the probability or the z of minus 0.4, and from it I have to subtract minus z of minus 1.9. okay, so for it I have to use the z distribution table. okay, 0.4, so minus 0.4 is 0.3446, 0.3446 minus 5 of minus 1.9, minus 1.9 is 0.02872, 0.02872. okay, let me subtract them. okay, so it would be 0.3446 6 minus 0.02872. Okay, so this would be 0.3158, 0.3159, okay, or 588. So that is what, that is basically the solution of question 8.17. If I have made any mistake in these calculations, you can redo them, but the overall procedure will remain the same. Okay, so that's it for today, in which we have seen the solution of question 8.17. If you guys have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. See you soon.